Trend is my best friend, but at times this best friend can betray you. Keto trends in 2024 and what to expect in 2025. Let's reflect on these trends. Are they useful? Are they for us? And what exactly should we do about it? Stay tuned till the end. Hi, welcome back. I'm Rahul Kamra, founder of KetoLets. After transforming myself and 1,000+ individuals in the last 6 years of my professional experience, I have seen that trends come every now and then. In COVID, there was a trend about ketogenic diet. In 2021, people started experiencing some skeptical articles related to ketogenic diet. Some actors died because of heart attack, and then they started saying that ketogenic diet is not for you. This time in 2024, there were a lot of trends about ketogenic diet, which are very important for you to note and very important for you to also focus on. Let's dive deep into these trends and understand कि कितने काम के क्या ये ट्रेंड्स आपके लिए कुछ यूजफुल हैं कि नहीं है, इसके ऊपर क्या नई रिसर्च फाइंडिंग्स हुई हैं, क्या इनका यूज हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में कुछ फर्क पड़ता है, क्या हमें कीटो एक नए तरीके से अप्रोच करना चाहिए. वील अंडरस्टैंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट इन दिस वीडियो. सो एज वी डाइव इनटू द वीडियो, हर वीडियो में मैं हमेशा चैप्टर्स डालता हूँ, नीचे आपको चैप्टर्स हैं आराम से, सो दैट यू कैन नेविगेट थ्रू द बार एंड यू कैन रीवॉच समथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू अगेन लिसन टू. चैप्टर 1 इज द ओजेम्पिक वर्सेस कीटोज डिबेट. इसके बारे में मैंने कम से कम 25 से ऊपर मीडिया हाउसेस को अपने आर्टिकल्स भी भेजे हैं, जिनने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट भी करी है कि आप ओजेम्पिक के बारे में बताएं. हाउ डज इट हेल्प एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डज इट हैव एन इफेक्ट ऑन अ कीटोजेनिक डाइट. एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव एक्चुअली सीन दिस काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस दैट ओजेम्पिक के आने से कीटोजेनिक डाइट पे बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट पड़ा है. सो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट डिस्कशन इन 2024 वाज दैट ओजेम्पिक और मोंजारो ऐसे जो GLP-1 रिसेप्टर्स वाली ड्रग्स हैं, इनसे फैट लॉस हो सकता है. बट काफी लोगों ने ये बात समझी नहीं कि इट इज नॉट अबाउट आस्किंग वेदर विच इज बेटर, इट इज आस्किंग about what is sustainable. Ozempic and Mounjaro is greatly used for managing uncontrolled diabetes in cases of morbid obesity under doctor supervision, whereas a ketogenic diet has a very different principle. Ozempic और Mounjaro क्या करेगा, आपके डाइजेशन को थोड़ा सा स्लो करेगा, आपके हार्मोन ट्रिगर्स को, जो हंगर हार्मोन के ट्रिगर्स हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा रेगुलेट करेगा. बट whereas a ketogenic diet helps you to also solve metabolic dysfunctions and plus improve your flexibility to fat adaptation, which can be a long-term game for you. So in 2025, the discussion is not about which is better. The discussion is what is sustainable, because a lot of people tried Ozempic in 2024, ended up gaining fat, ended up not sustaining it, creating issues with their gut. And today the debate has again gone back to that, is keto the only option for a person to become metabolically flexible and how to improve your health. Chapter number 2, misconceptions about keto and heart attack. 2024 में फिर से न्यूज बनी कि कीटोजेनिक डाइट से आपको हार्ट अटैक हो सकता है. काफी लोगों की डेथ हुई, इसका हुआ, कोई और हुआ, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूंगा because again these are confidential things. A lot of things were linked to ketogenic diet, but again we come back to the misconceptions here. Misconceptions are always there. Negativity causes virality. जब भी कोई इंसान नेगेटिव बात करता है, इंडिया में लोग नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कीटो को ज्यादा सर्च करते हैं rather they search about positive aspects of keto. They worry about side effects, but they do not realize that on a normal diet as well, they definitely suffer from metabolic disorders. They have problems with their own metabolic functions and they can see a lot of challenges. So the problem doesn't lie with keto. It also depends upon how you approach keto. If you approach keto by eating good fats and you try to follow a formulated ketogenic diet, you may not have any kind of side effects. And I have been a live example in front of you for the last 7 years. One of the reasons why cholesterol increases because of insulin resistance. Keto makes it insulin sensitive. A study posted in the Journal of Nutrition in 2024 also focused that a clean ketogenic diet, which is formulated well with right fats, right amount of protein and absolutely minimal carbohydrates, can help you to improve your HDL cholesterol, which is good cholesterol, and also reduce your triglycerides, which can make you also feel healthier and make your heart healthier as well. So these are a lot of links together which are related to ketogenic diet. अगर आप ठीक से करोगे तो जरूर आप इस बारे में सीख पाओगे. Also I'm attaching a link in the description for you. This is a playlist in which you can learn about what is keto, what to eat on keto, how to manage keto, how to calculate your ratios on keto, and this playlist will be very, very helpful for you as a person. Chapter number 3, the rise of Atkins for maintenance. I was very happy to see that because Atkins diet is a high protein, a version of keto, but keto stands for gold standard of fat loss, specifically for people those who are trying different kinds of diets. They definitely rely to ketosis because they see better mental clarity and they see anti-inflammatory benefits. But an Atkins diet for maintenance is a great option. Atkins diet और ketogenic diet के बीच में काफी डिफरेंस है. इसके बारे में भी एक लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रहा हूँ. मैंने ऑलरेडी इस पे एक वीडियो बनाई थी, काफी पहले बनाई थी, बट इट इज वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस अप्रोच ऑफ Atkins diet works well for people those who want metabolic flexibility but slight flexibility in their routine by introducing reducing somewhat carbohydrates, and an approach of Atkins diet with a carb cycling routine can be a game changer for a person who's done their fat loss and who wants to maintain it, who wants to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This is something which I would recommend for people, those who complete their entire journey at Ketorets. Ketorets method के अंदर एक specific phase है जहाँ मैं बात करता हूँ energy rebalance की. So simply in 2025 what I would recommend is use keto as a tool, lose fat, improve your metabolism, then eventually move to an Atkins diet and a carb cycling approach so that you can maintain it. It is great for maintenance and it is a game changer for a lot of Ketorets members, those who have not gained a single kg for the last 6 months. And I get a lot of confirmations from people when they adapt to ketosis, they leave ketosis successfully and they realize that they do not gain again. Chapter number 4 is abuse of keto and a lot of new beginners. A lot of new beginners get into ketosis, they take it like a crash diet and they simply abuse it. उसके अंदर वो जाकर के ब्लॉग डालते रहेंगे रेडिट पे, क्योरा पे कि अच्छा हमने कितना गलत करा, कीटोजेनिक डाइट हम खा रहे थे. तो मैं आपको कहानी बताना चाहता हूँ इस बारे में. कीटोजेनिक डाइट एक इंसान कर रहा था, उसने कीटो डाइट पे अपने फॉलो कर रहा था, 3 महीने हो गए थे, काफी अच्छा खासा फैट लॉस हुआ था, 12-15 kg हो गया. बालकनी में वॉक कर रहा था, उसकी सिस्टर एक केला खा रही थी, उसने एक छिलका फेंका, वो छिलका खा के फिसल के नीचे गिर गया और उसकी डेथ हो गई. तो कीटो से डेथ हो सकती है. ये टाइप के मैंने ब्लॉग्स पढ़े लोगों से, लिटरली इस स्टैंडर्ड के, जहाँ पे वो पहली बार कीटोजेनिक डाइट पे अडैप्ट कर रहे होते हैं. रैंडमली किसी दिन उठ के गुलाब जामुन खा लेते हैं, किसी दिन उठ के कुछ जैगरी बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट खा लेते हैं. मैं ऐसे लोगों को जानता हूँ जो कीटो बिगिनर्स हैं, जो पढ़ना नहीं चाहते, हमें बस फैट लॉस करवा दो, आप कैसे भी करवा दो. अरे अगर आप सीखना नहीं चाहते कीटोजेनिक डाइट के बारे में तो आप क्यों करना चाहते हो इसको. सो लॉट ऑफ न्यू बिगिनर्स जंप्ड इनटू दिस. यू नीड टू रिमेंबर वन थिंग. नंबर 1, focus on nutrient dense foods. Number 2, prioritize your progress and also do measure your macros. Number 3 is focusing on hydration, focus on sauce, sleep, activity and water so that you do not feel the brunt of a ketogenic diet. And randomly please keto के साथ मत खेलो, अंदर बाहर मत करो. Chapter number 5, keto's role in longevity and mental health. In 2024 there was one of the biggest studies and the most exciting studies about ketogenic diet. Research from the Lancet emphasized that how keto is a clean fuel for your brain, improving your cognitive functions and also helps you to focus much more towards longevity benefits, which is another major game changer. In 2025 there will be more studies, then there will be more examples as well. A lot of keto coaches, a lot of keto advocates are talking about longevity and anti-inflammatory benefits which you can get from ketogenic diet. And in 2025 we can expect more studies about Alzheimer's and how exactly keto can help you with improving your mental health, with slowing down your cognitive decline related to Alzheimer's. There is going to be more studies coming up in 2025 which I'm very excited to read, and I'll definitely share it on the channel as well so that you can be much more aware about ketogenic diet. If you have a clear picture about what happened in 2024, a lot of misconceptions and trends came into place, and out of these misconceptions, yes, only one thing which I find which is useful is to adapt to Atkins diet after you leave ketosis so that you can maintain your weight, so that you can maintain your metabolic flexibility. In 2025 there will be more studies coming up. There's going to be a lot of negative media also, but again, take things with a pinch of salt. I do not say that keto is the best, but I simply say that yes, it could be a gold standard for fat loss. It could be a great tool for you to use and you can achieve metabolic flexibility. Then after that, shift to a more sustainable routine and you need to practice keto with caution. Don't forget to like the video, share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon, and if you want to learn more about ketogenic diet, don't forget to check out this playlist. You will learn everything about ketogenic diet in an Indian manner. Also, if you want to learn how to get into ketosis faster, check out this video. You will get into ketosis faster if you have placed a carb refeed day recently. This is Rahul Kamra. I'll see you next week. Signing off.